There are many reasons why the general public might be fearful of programming. Obviously, it's computer language, and there's nothing to worry about, and there's nothing to be fearful of. Most programmers, most application developers had to start somewhere. The whole idea behind our movement, the idea that we can research, learn, and share knowledge, is so we can take the fear out of programming. And we think that just like we're able to learn by just doing research online and using the code that we find to fix what's broken, that you can do the same thing. So nothing to fear. It's just a matter of just diving in and try to figure it out. That said, we're going to continue with our CSS and JavaScript session from part 2. This is part 3. We want to make sure that you understand the basic idea behind HTML tags. And they come in pairs, as you can see. HTML body, the head tag, the title tag, they all have pairs. It's just a matter of making sure you have a beginning and an end tag. We want to show you both, the best of both worlds, rather, of the Notepad application, which comes with Microsoft Windows, in this case, Windows 10. And we want to pay close attention to Notepad++ and how much easier it is to read the code that you are modifying. And you have example HTML code that has code attributes, HTML tag attributes, and they are color coded, a different color for to make it easier for you to read. If you were to download Notepad++, which we have a link on our website to download that, you get to the page, the Notepad++ page, and if you were to download that application and save it to your computer, you'd be able to simply right-click on any HTML5 or HTML code and be able to open that within your computer environment using the Notepad++. And you also have the option of opening that file with your Notepad application. We also wanted to show you quickly how the JavaScript sample that we showed you in the previous session, what's actually happening in the background. Okay, so you've got your button here, and how does the button interact with the actual label? Once the button is clicked, we have a variable that is actually adding the result label text onto the HTML design. And that's being shown on the page by a span tag. You've got your span, open, and close tag. And that's all there is to it. It's just a matter of clicking that button on the HTML5 page, and what you have is your JavaScript code running the process and adding the text, depending on which button is clicked, onto the HTML5 design. With that, we're going to leave it here and start another session. We'll go to part 4, and in this case, we're going to actually show you how you can build a complete application from start to finish using samples right from our website. If you'd like, please add a comment. You can subscribe and like this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.